Guys, let us understand pop-up boxes in JavaScript. Okay, so we'll see what is pop-up boxes. There are number of pop-up boxes, like we want to have alert, we want to have a some confirm pop-up boxes, right? And could be some prompt. So if you want to take some input from users, and on the basis of that input, if you want to perform something, so we'll see how to work with pop-up boxes. Okay, so there's one message box and we say alert box. Okay, and the method is alert here. So we talk about the alert method, which contains message to be displayed in close inside the parenthesis. So whatever you write here in between the braces, that will display. One can display numbers, text, so whatever the values we are having, that we can bring it inside that and we can display it. Any or all of these values can be concatenated to produce an extended message. So we can concatenate through some kind of, you can notice here we are using some kind of plus operator, and this A having one string, B having another string. So we are concatenating the two string. So any of the combination is possible in alert message. Okay. You cannot, however, include XHTML tags or a style sheet sitting in the message string. Okay. So you can see the example here, and I have a one good example which will demonstrate the alert pop-up boxes. Or I mean, if you want to render one message box to the browser, you can use alert here. So you can notice here I want to render one kind of alert message. You can see in the browser how we can display. So we have to say JavaScript. We can write skip tag here, open and close, and then we can say alert, and we can pass the message in the braces in double quotes. If it is something else, we can say plus, and we can keep adding some values, appending the values in the message, and that message finally it will render to the browser in form of one message box. Okay, so this is what alert message, or you can say what, message box, right? Well, next we have to understand the prompt box. What is the prompt box here? A simple way of getting user input into a script in through a prompt box. So we have a one prompt function method here. You can notice this, which help you to display one input area box, and you can enter something and say okay. Okay, the user then submit this information to a script by clicking OK button or cancel. Once you say cancel, it will cancel the box and it will return null to the variable. Okay, so prompt method, you can see here, you can write window.prompt or simply prompt. You can write the message you can pass. This message will display default there. Okay, and so this will be your default message, and this is some initial text, and whatever the values are there, it will store two variable here. So prompt method requires two string values coded inside the parenthesis and separated by comma. The first string is a prompt message that is displayed to a solicit user input, means what you want to do. Okay, and you want to give some initial text here. The second string is the initial text, if any, that appears inside the input area. Otherwise you can just open the double quotes and close it, so it will have a blank area. Okay, right? So the initial message can represent a default value or suggested entry, what, like enter name, like that. Okay, so let us have one example here. So you can notice here I am using one script here in 9, 10, 11, 12 line number, and then we are saying prompt. Okay, in the prompt we are saying what your name, and here this is the default value, right? So you can notice that this what's your name is coming here as a message, and this James is coming as a default value, right? Once I enter inside the James, I say here Tom. I enter the value here Tom, and I say okay. What will happen? This Tom value will get stored in name variable. And once you say welcome to my page, okay, message coming, welcome to my page Tom, right? So what we are doing through the prompt, we are taking input from the users and we are performing some stuff on that, and then we are proceeding with the input, right? You might have noticed in the Yahoo, like earlier, if you wanted to create a new folder, one prompt message was coming that give a folder name, and as you give the folder name, one folder is get created, right? So that kind of business logic we can apply with here in our Brave application by using the prompt. Okay, well, so we understood prompt box here. Next is the confirm box. As we know, like if you have some option and you say confirm yes or no. So confirm box is one of the ways of soliciting user input into a script. The confirm method produces a method box that gives the users a choice. Okay. Along with a display message, OK and cancel buttons are displayed for user response. Once they say OK, so some true value will go. If you say cancel, the false value will return. So skip then can take different courses of action depending on which of these two buttons the user click. The general form of the confirm you can see here, the confirm method, right? And confirm, you can pass the message, it will return some value. It could be true or false. Let's have an example on the confirm box. You can see the code which I have written here from line number 8 to 15. You can notice this code, and I say confirm. Do you want to open Google or some default site? Okay, the X will hold that response. Okay, now the message coming, you can see this confirm message box, right? And once I say OK or cancel, there's a two button here. Once I say OK, true will return. If I say cancel, false will return. So we can say if X means if true, then I'm using one stuff window dot location http google.co.in. So once I say OK, the Google page will open, right? Once you say cancel, so it has a one else condition and say window dot location http www.gmail.com. So it will go to the gmail.com. Okay, I hope you understood this, right? So this is what confirm dialog box and confirm method which we can use. It is from the window object, so you can use window dot or window dot confirm or direct confirm, right? So that's all about the pop-up boxes. Thanks a lot. Next we have to understand DOM, document object model. Hi guys, let us understand alert, how we can use alert in JavaScript. So we'll open edit plus and say we'll take one HTML page here. So this is the page we have created. Now in the body we'll write one code, say script type equal to text slash JavaScript and close the script here. Here if you want to write one alert message, so we'll say here alert and we can pass some message here. Hi, this is James. Okay, like this. Save it and give a name here. Say one demo folder. Inside this demo, I'll say here alert. Okay, alert.html, or make it here alert example. Save it now. Now I'll go to the folders and say run this program. Allow block content. So what you have noticed here, hi, this is James. You are getting alert box here, right? Is this clear? Once you refresh, you will retrieve one alert message. What are the messages you type here, you will get as alert. Okay, right? So that's all about understanding the alert message. So next we'll understand how to use confirm dialog box. Okay, so I'll go to here and say new HTML page and write the code here now. So write again here script and then say here type equal to text slash JavaScript and then close the script here. Okay, inside that we'll write, say here one variable x equal to confirm. Okay, confirm, just write some message here. Do you want to open Google or other site, like this. Now you can have a if condition here. If x means if say okay, so true will return. If say cancel, then false will return. So then we can use here window dot location dot href equal to what, http colon slash slash, you can say google dot co dot co dot in, else window dot location dot href equal to http colon slash slash say gmail.com. Okay, save it here, give a name, say confirm, right? So we are taking confirmation from user, confirm example, save it. Now run this code here. So go to the demo and say confirm, allow content. So what you're getting here, it is asking to you that do you want to open or other site. So just I did mistake here. So you have got the Google, right? Open Google, right? Save it and then just go to here, refresh the code again, go back, allow block content. So it is saying do you want to open Google or other site. If I say okay, it will open Google. If I say cancel, it will open the Gmail. You can notice here, right? So I hope you understood this confirm method here. You can also write window dot confirm, right? So that's all about confirm method in JavaScript. Okay, so we understood in the last example how to use confirm. Now let us understand how to use prompt method here. So we'll make another example again here, and I say in the body I just write one script again, say script type equal to text slash JavaScript, okay, and then script close. Here I will say what a script, open a script close. I can use here prompt, okay. What you want to display a message in the prompt, say enter a name. Suppose I want some default value, so I give here Zims as a default, right? And x equal to. So whatever the name you will enter, it will come to x, and you can just have a message document dot write what welcome, something like welcome Mr. Have here Mr. and say close plus x. Let us try this example. So save it here with give a name, say prompt example.html, save, okay, save it. Now run the code here. So this is the prompt, click it here, allow block content here. So you have noticed that enter name is coming as a message, right? And here you are having James, default values coming James. Now I say enter Tom. So okay, welcome Mr. Tom is coming. So that prompt will help you to take some input from users and do some job on that. Okay. If I say cancel, you can see welcome Mr. Null is coming, right? So if you say okay, James will be there, right? Well, so you understood the prompt dialog box here from the JavaScript, okay?